Still don't know what
What if I
that
tell you
means.
Ranbir Kapoor can actually marry his sister's daughter? Or imagine this Aishwarya and Abhishek's daughter marrying Sweta Bachchan's son Agastya. The only rule is they have to be South Indians. In North India, cousin marriage is a taboo. People get disgusted even with the idea. In Islam, it's accepted and widely practiced, but in South India, the entire family system will collapse if the cousin marriage system is removed. Same country, same people, but three completely different ideas. Take Tamil wedding for example. When the bride and groom enter the house, the groom's sister stops them and asks, "Will you promise to give your future daughter to my son? Only if you agree, you're allowed inside." If there is no sister, a cousin sister does the ritual. Now, if you're a North Indian, you may think, "Arey, ye kya hai?" Because that in North India, cousin marriage is illegal under the Hindu Marriage Act, and even the Special Marriage Act does not allow it until community custom permits it. In 2020, the Punjab and Haryana High Court even ruled first cousin marriage invalid. But in South India, this is actually very common and of course legal. Here, cousin marriage is not just a practice, but the entire family structure is built around this. If you erase this one aspect of cousin marriage from the system, the South Indian family structure will not exist. So according to the National Family Health Survey in 2015-16, 14% of marriages in India are between relatives, and the majority of these marriages are in South India. About 1/3 of marriages in the South happen between relatives. And this is not some secret marriage that happens in a sneaky way in villages. The practice is so common that even celebrities get married to their cousins. Sivakarthikeyan, N.T. Ramarao, Akkineni Nageshwar Rao, superstar Krishna all married their cousins.
Who?
Even Deepika Padukone's parents are cousins. I don't have to look that far. Just in my family, there are at least 10 cousin couples. Even my parents are second circle cousins. First of all, let's clear this misunderstanding that we can marry just any cousin. That's not how it works. I think this word cousin is a very anglicized word that tries to put all the relations under one basket. But in a country like India, which has a very complex family structure, this word doesn't make sense at all. So I'll try to explain it in the simplest way possible. We divide cousins into two types, and this difference is everything. One type is parallel cousins, your father's brother's children or your mother's sister's children. For us, they are the same as our real brothers and sisters, so marrying them is not even a discussion. We don't even think about it because that's literally incest. The other type is cross cousins, your mother's brother's children or your father's sister's children. Basically, your parents' opposite gender siblings' kids. These are the cousins you can marry. So the cultural formula is simple. Cross cousin is equal to possible spouse. Parallel cousin is equal to sibling. In the South, cross cousin marriage is almost the base of the whole.
I don't understand. Wait, which one is which? Okay, so a normal cousin is your parents' siblings' children, and they both seem to be the same to me. Your parent siblings' children becomes the cousin. It's the exact same thing she's showing, or am I?
Types, and this difference is everything. One type is parallel cousins, your father's brother's children or
Father's brother's children's, that's one type of
your
cousin.
mother's sister's children. For
Yeah.
us, they are the same as our real brothers and sisters.
Okay, yeah, that's a cousin.
So
Yeah.
marrying them is not even a discussion. We don't even think about it because that's literally incest. The other type is cross cousins, your mother's brother's children.
Okay, so the only difference is that the sibling has to be of the opposite gender, and then their children doesn't matter. Okay.
Or your father's sister's children. Basically,
Retards,
your parents'
yeah?
opposite gender siblings' kids.